Hello and welcome. Thanks for tuning in. If you've been trying to use your webcam on websites like Zoom, Google Meet, or others, but it's not working, this video is for you. Today, I'll guide you step by step on how to allow websites to access your camera using Google Chrome browser. First, open the Chrome browser on your device. Next, tap on the three vertical dots located at the top right corner of the screen. Then, from the drop-down menu, select Settings. After that, on the left-hand sidebar, click on Privacy and Security. Now, scroll down and tap on Site Settings. Continue scrolling until you find the section called Camera, or Access Your Camera, then click on it. Finally, choose the option Sites can ask to use your camera to enable permission prompts when websites request camera access. That's it. Your Chrome browser is now set to allow websites to ask for camera access. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more useful tech guides. See you next time.